Hey Tech Explorers! Today we're looking at the best digital microscopes you can buy in 2026, whether you want crystal clear images for hobbies, education, lab work, or repair projects. Let's find the perfect digital microscope for you. Starting at number 1. Elikliv EM4K 4K Digital Microscope. The Elikliv EM4K 4K Digital Microscope is a high-resolution imaging tool designed for detailed viewing and precision work. Featuring up to 2000 times magnification and a 52MP sensor with 3840p UHD video output, this microscope delivers exceptionally clear and sharp visuals on an AD display. It connects via HDMI for real-time viewing and recording, making it ideal for electronics repair, soldering, coin inspection, STEM education, and detailed hobby work. The included 10 stand provides stable support for accurate positioning, and the 64GB storage lets you save images and videos directly. Compact yet powerful, the Elikliv EM4K brings professional-grade microscopy to workshops, classrooms, and makerspaces. Number 2. Andonstar AD269S20X 5000X HDMI. The Andonstar AD269S20X 5000X HDMI digital microscope is a versatile and powerful imaging tool that's great for both adults and kids exploring science, hobby projects, or detailed inspection work. With a huge 20 times, 5000 times magnification range and a bright 10.1 LCD screen, it delivers crisp, enlarged views of specimens, coins, circuits, and more, perfect for biology, electronics, and home lab use. The microscope connects via HDMI for real-time viewing and is compatible with Windows computers for capturing images or videos. This kit also includes prepared slides and accessories, making it easier to start exploring right away. Designed for ease of use and broad applications, the AD269S brings high-resolution microscopy to classrooms, workshops, and curious minds of all ages. Number 3. TOMLOV TM4K AF 4K Autofocus. The TOMLOV TM4K AF 4K Autofocus digital microscope is a high-performance imaging tool ideal for detailed work like electronics repair, soldering, coin inspection, and precision hobby projects. Featuring a 52MP sensor and a 10.1 HDMI display, it delivers stunning 4K clarity and full-view detail. The built-in autofocus makes it easy to get sharp, clear images quickly, while the spin flex arm allows flexible positioning and comfortable viewing angles. Equipped with a ring light for even illumination and a 64GB memory card for storing images and videos, this microscope combines advanced features with practical convenience. Whether for professional workspace use or serious hobbyists, the TM4K AF offers powerful magnification and excellent visual performance. Number 4. Elikliv EM4K AF Autofocus 4K HDMI Digital Microscope. The Elikliv EM4K AF Autofocus 4K HDMI Digital Microscope is a high-resolution imaging solution designed for electronics repair, soldering, coin and specimen inspection, and detailed hobby work. Featuring a 52MP sensor and a large 10.1 LCD screen with 4K HDMI output, it delivers crisp, detailed visuals for precise observation and documentation. The built-in autofocus makes focusing quick and effortless, while the flex arm and ring light provide adjustable positioning and even illumination for clearer views. This microscope also includes a 64GB memory card for storing images and videos, plus an electronics repair mat to keep your workspace organized. Compact yet powerful, the EM4K AF combines advanced optics with practical accessories, making it ideal for both professional and enthusiast use. Number 5. TOMLOV DM9 Max Digital Microscope. The TOMLOV DM9 Max Digital Microscope is a versatile and powerful imaging tool perfect for coin inspection, electronic soldering, and detailed hobby work. It features a 20MP sensor and a large 10.1 HD IPS screen that displays clear, detailed magnified images up to 1500 times, making it ideal for examining fine details on error coins or tiny components. The microscope connects via HDMI and is compatible with PCs and TVs for flexible viewing and recording. Equipped with 10 LED lights for bright, even illumination and a 64GB memory card for saving images and videos, the DM9 Max combines high performance with convenience. Whether for professional use or curious explorers, this digital microscope delivers sharp visuals and easy operation. Thanks for watching. All product links are in the video description below, so you can easily buy your favorite digital microscope today. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more gear reviews and buying guides.